It's a $300 vanity mirror, but I feel like it's gonna be so worth it. And they just blingy. Like, get into the detail of that.
Hi girl. If they say I ain't the baddest, then the motherfuckers lie.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Keandra. If this is your first time seeing my face, make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button and hit the like button. Y'all, I don't know if this is going to be a separate video or not. I might just add it to another video of me doing the same thing. But I'm just coming to y'all with like a room haul. I went shopping today, early this morning actually, and then I took a nap. So that's the point why I'm doing a video now. But I just got a lot of more.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I don't know why I can't talk, but I just got a lot of stuff for my room, so it's coming together, y'all. I'm super excited. The aesthetic of my room is like gray, silver, glam, bling, diamonds, silver, gray, and a little pop of pink, a little splash of pink. Most of the stuff came from Ross. Y'all know I love Ross. I love me some Ross. Ross is so good for home decor, room decor. They got stuff for your car, they got clothes, they got shoes, they got makeup, they got jewelry, they got perfume, they got purses. They just have it all. Baby stuff, they just literally have it all. And it's like you can find designer brands in there for discounted prices, hit or miss like name brand stuff. Ross, Marshalls, TJ Maxx, any type of store like that for your home decor, hair stuff, y'all. Like the freaking, it just keeps going on and on. It's a really nice place that I love to shop. I shop there a lot actually. First thing I'm gonna show y'all, I'm not going in no particular order. I got this from Ross. This was $10, and this is so nice, y'all. It's a felt board. I know, well, I don't know, but some of y'all may have seen this before. I bought one from Five Below. It was only $5, smaller than this one, and this one is really nice quality, but it's just gray, and then it has the dark gray wooden look to it. And basically, you can just make it say whatever you want with these little letters that just stick in there. I thought this would just be a cute little thing to put on this wall, y'all. Look at this wall, just so plain. So I'm trying to just get everything situated, you know? So yes, I got that from Ross. Next thing from Ross is some pillows. So my butt, the first round of getting stuff for my room and my bed set and all that stuff, I forgot to get me some real pillows because I threw my old ones away. So I got me some new pillows. I got 2 standard and 2 king. I'm gonna have those on my bed along with like some decorative pillows. So yeah, I just got these. They super fluffy and they just some standard pillows, and these were $14 for 2 pillows, so that's a good deal. And then here go the king right here. These were like closer to 20, I think. $17.99, so $18 for these 2 king pillows. Not too crazy, just some king pillows or whatever, and some standard pillows. Next thing I got is this, which you go with the aesthetic, we love that. This was $7.99, and this is just an over the door little hook thing, and I plan on putting this on my door because y'all, I have so many purses like in my closet. My closet is done for. So I currently I got purses in a box. I got purses in a bigger purse. Like I got a big bag full of purses, and I don't have nowhere to really put them, and like, you know, so that I could see them, because 9 times out of 10 I'll be forgetting what I really have in my closet. I got this, and I plan on putting it over my door and just hanging my purses on it. I don't know, you can hang jackets on this, whatever you want. Cute, it goes with my room, just silver with the little diamonds. So cute. So next, I got some pillowcases. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I was a little bit indecisive. So I figured if you can't choose between 2 colors, just get both. So I actually have, and then it don't hurt to have multiple different like stuff that you can switch out. So I got these standard pillowcases. These were both $4.99 a piece for 2 standard pillowcases. And these are just by the Cotton Home Linens, whoever that is. And these are just cotton pillowcases. So I got the dark gray ones, or like, what is this? Like a charcoal gray kind of. Got some gray ones. And then I picked up these pink ones. I'm trying to show y'all like the color of them. They like a real light, it's like the color that I'm going for to pop in my room is like a light pink, like a soft pink. So I got these, and then I saw these, but they were king pillowcases. That's what really made me want to get some king pillows. I liked these pillowcases, but these are just some king pillowcases. Ross has so many satin ones, which is really good for your hair, by the way, to sleep on. But they're super cute. They just like a cheetah print, but they're gray. I feel like they go with my room really well, and that's just like a nice little accent pillow to have. So I got 2 of these, and these were $5.99 because they're king. Next, tell me that ain't cute. Like, it literally matches. Like, tell me this is not cute. So I got this trash can. This is $3.99, super cheap, and it's just a cheetah trash can. It's so cute, and it's very roomy too. So this is a nice size trash can just to have in my room, because your girl be doing hair, all type of stuff. You know, you just want to quickly throw something away, but you don't want to walk all the way to the kitchen. Yeah, that's what this is for. But of course, like, not no food or nothing, but yeah, quick stuff, plastic. But you get you a little garbage can. Also from Ross, I got this throw. Now y'all, I done bought plenty yarn. If y'all don't know, I crochet. Check out Crocchets.com. Your girl is working on fall. She's working on fall and winter stuff to bring to the site. But I really want to get rid of a lot of stuff that I have already on there. But anyways, long story short, I brought me some yarn so I can make me a blanket to, you know, like the little throw blanket that you just pop on that corner of your bed. That was the vibe I was going for. And I didn't want to buy the specific blanket that I wanted. I was just gonna make it because they can get real pricey. Like, I saw them at home and they can get real pricey. So yeah, I bought me some yarn and I'm making my own blanket, but I still wanted to get this one because it was only $8.99. It's a plush throw blanket, and it's just this gray color. I think this is just super cute, and you can never have enough like blankets, like, in my opinion. I might put this on my bed, I might not. I might just have it, you know, when you go to movies, whatever, you know, just a little throw blanket. Okay, another thing I got, y'all, is this pillow right here, which is super duper cute. Now Ross also has, like I said, they have everything, literally, like house stuff, y'all. They just have everything. I freaking love Ross. Like, I love Ross so much, y'all don't even understand. But they have so many pillows that you can put on your couch, that you can put on your bed. And I actually saw one just like this in a long version. I saw a white fluffy one. I saw other gray ones. They have so many, y'all. But this pillow was 13 bucks. Is that kind of crazy? I don't know. I've never really like bought pillows. So at first I'm like, dang, maybe like pillows can be expensive for one pillow, like $20 for a pillow for one. But yeah, anyways, this was $13 and I bought it. But look how big it is. I'm not really mad at the price, and it's fluffy and it's cute and it's gray. Like, look at how freaking cute. It's gonna be so cute on my bed. A lot of gray going on because, like I told y'all, the colors in my room, I just love it here. Like, I think that's everything from Ross. I'm lying. Also from Ross, y'all, I bought this, which I really been needing. Actually, my mama bought this, but shout out to her because she bought this. I love my mama so much. I really needed a hamper for my clothes because right now they just in a pile in a corner, and that's not cute. So I got this, like, it's like a wicker, is that what it's called? Yeah, it's like a wicker basket for your clothes, and it has a little stool, like a little, what is it called? You know, the little thing on the garbage cans that you step on and it makes the top open. This has that. It was like $42.99, but it's super good quality. Like, this is actually really heavy, and y'all can see the little step thing on it. But yes, all of my clothes will go in here. It's time to do laundry. I will have somewhere for my dirty clothes to go. Okay, I got a few more Ross items, y'all, that are not even kind of part of the room, but I'm gonna just show y'all because I bought them. I got this little kabuki brush. I probably would use this for my nails because I don't have a little duster for when I, like, you know, doing my nails or whatever. This was only $3.99 at Ross. Super cheap. I love Ross. You can find all type of name brand makeup in there, y'all. I've got so much makeup from Ross that was name brand, like, it's not even funny. But yeah, this just says large kabuki brush, and I think that's cute. It was cheap. Next, I got me some St. Ives makeup wipes because I was just running out of makeup wipes. Who cares? Next, I got this AirPods case. Y'all, I don't even own a pair of AirPods, but I'm about to buy me some. They be having so many cute cases. Like, is that sick? Like, to want to get something because there's so many cute cases for it. Maybe that ain't the only reason. Like, I kind of do actually want the AirPods because I'm kind of tired of using my regular ones. This was just too freaking cute. Like, look at this. It's a silicone AirPods case, and it says it's for it fits the first and second generation, and it just has this little watermelon on it, this little puff, this little bell thing. This is gonna be so cute. Like, I also got me a little iPhone charger just as a backup. I know these don't really be lasting that long, but it was I almost choked, but it was $5.99. So whatever, this is like 3 feet, whatever, just a backup charger. Horchata is like the best drink in the world. Makeup. So y'all, I'm really not sure as to where the other palettes went. I bought, well, my mom, she bought some MAC. They had MAC palettes up in there, y'all, for literally like $17.99, $16.99, and I don't know where the other two are. Doesn't really matter because this is not about the makeup anyway. But this just is a Mischief Minx palette, and I believe it's like highlighter. It's like a blush, a highlighter in here, and then a few neutral shades. Y'all, like I said, they really be having name brand makeup, and I'm here for it. I also got this Kat Von D palette. I've got a lot of Kat Von D makeup from Ross. It was only $6.99, y'all. And this is a face and eye highlighter palette. I didn't even look this up to see what the shades look like. I just bought it because that's just how I am. Then I got a Kat Von D cream lipstick and the shade Crucifix. I ain't gonna lie, Kat Von D be giving me very dark vibes. Like, how did I think about it? Like, I don't know. It's like the font, some of the packaging, like, this is actually cute. But most of the packaging is like black and stuff. But anyways, and then Crucifix. I don't know if I like that name of the shade, but anyways, it was $4.99, y'all. Whatever, just a lipstick. Okay, that was everything from Ross. Now moving on to Amazon. So on Amazon, I just bought this Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray. If you watch any of my makeup videos, you know that I love this spray and I was running out. So I bought this on Amazon. It was only like $12 for like a mini travel size one that you can throw in your bag, and then like a bigger one. Then for my vanity, I purchased these off of Amazon. Right now, I do have all my makeup in my vanity finally, but it's not really organized. I mean, it's organized in there, but I still wanted to get these little trays. There are like 16 pieces in here. So they're basically different sizes of these organizers. You can use these for your kitchen drawers. You can use these for your desk drawers, your vanity for your makeup. That's what I'm using it for. And they just sit inside of the vanity, the drawer, whatever, and then you can just put your stuff in there to keep it organized. So yeah, it's a whole bunch of different sizes. Here go the other palettes. The other palettes from Ross, y'all. It's just different sizes of these. I'll have these linked in the description box because I can link nothing from Ross in the description box because you can't really shop online with them. But yeah, you can shop online at Amazon if you want these. If you have a vanity or a desk in your room and you want to be more organized. I love Amazon, y'all. They have everything. And then we got Amazon Prime. So like your stuff be coming like this. Love Amazon. Period. And then the last thing I recently purchased from Amazon for my room are some makeup brush holders, and I already had some, y'all. I had one from Five Below. It was only $5, and then I had one from Ross, which they both are the exact same company, but I don't want those anymore, so I might put them on my Poshmark or something. I really don't know. I have so much stuff that I have to put on Poshmark, it don't even make no sense, but that'll be in the description box below too. But they're just these. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna link these in the description box. So freaking pretty, y'all. These were only $7.99 a piece, and they're just little makeup brush holders, and they just blingy. Like, get into the detail of that. You cannot tell me that ain't pretty. Like, so I got 2 of those, and these will sit on my vanity, like I said. But I just like nice stuff, and I'm finally getting a room that I've been wanting, so it's like I'm just gonna go all out, period. So I don't want the other makeup brush holders. I'm gonna be giving those away or selling them on Poshmark, like I said. But yes, purchased both of these off of Amazon. Again, I will leave the links in the description box if you are interested. I cannot wait to do this vanity haul for y'all. It's gonna be so pretty. My mirror came, my big old huge like vanity mirror came in. Yeah, it's just everything coming together. So I'm very, very, very excited. I will definitely have like maybe like a vanity tour along with my room tour, but I'm gonna do the vanity tour different. And I'm actually gonna have an unboxing of my vanity mirror on my channel as well. So stay tuned, y'all. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel, hit the bell so you can be notified when I post, because your girl finna be coming and dropping a lot of videos pretty soon. So all right, y'all, the final thing that I recently purchased was at Micheals. I had to run at Micheals to get some yarn, but while I was in there I saw this, and it's an organizer. They got yarn in here, but I'm gonna be using this most likely for hair stuff because I need more space. Like my vanity is very like not that much space. Like it just has 3 pull-out drawers that you put all your makeup in, and that's it. And I got wigs, I got hair care products, I got flat irons and tools and stuff. So I need something like this, even if it's this small, to just keep all of my hair stuff in. So yes, I bought this. It was only 30 bucks at Micheals, so I thought I'd pick it up. I think they was having a sale or something like that. But yeah, definitely check them out. I will try to link in the description box for y'all. But they had it in so many different colors. Like they had it in like a deep pink color. They had white, they had black, I think. They had so many different colors, like a mint, pastel colors. But I just went with gray, of course, because it matched my room. I can't wait to put this together because my hair stuff is in a box right now under my vanity. So I'm hoping this fits underneath my vanity. If not, I'll just have it on the side of my vanity, so that way I can access all my hair stuff and it'll have a place to go. So yeah. And then y'all, the last thing I'm gonna have to get up for, so I'm gonna insert that clip. It's my vanity mirror. Freaking love it, y'all. I'm gonna link it in the description box where I purchased it from. Of course, it's from Amazon. It's a $300 vanity mirror, but I feel like it's gonna be so worth it. And I've been eyeing this mirror for literally months. Like before my room came together, before I got my furniture, I knew I wanted this vanity mirror and I got it. So I'm just so blessed and grateful and thankful. And I just want to thank y'all so much if you got to the end of this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell for post notifications, because like I said, I will be coming with some more room videos. Now that I'm getting my room together, I have 2 more things I think I have to get. I want to get a bigger floor mirror, like a wider one, and then I want to get some curtains for both of my windows, and then I think I'm gonna be satisfied. Maybe just a few pictures here and there. But yeah, a room tour should be coming up real soon. So yeah, y'all, if y'all enjoyed this video, make sure you comment and like and subscribe, all that good stuff that I mentioned, and I will see y'all in my next video.
Never asked what you love, pick up the phone when you home. All I ever asked was you show me some love.